Hey guys, Vera Sweeney from Lady and the Blog. We're gonna call this No Makeup Friday. We're gonna call this You Look Like You Just Woke Up or You're Just About to Go to Sleep. But listen, I have real information to talk about today and I can't wait. I cannot wait to apply the concealer. I have to just tell you about this right now. I am heading to LA to walk the red carpet for A Wrinkle in Time with Miss Oprah Winfrey. Hello, this is all I can say. I could just end the video right now. Oprah Winfrey. I could say Oprah Winfrey for 4 minutes straight. Oprah Winfrey, Oprah Winfrey. Wait, if I say it 3 times, does she show up? Like, I don't know. But this is it. Red carpet premiere. Walking the red carpet with everybody, cast and crew. We're talking Reese Witherspoon, Oprah, the director, the producer, interviewing some of them. I don't have the full list as of yet, but everybody that's invited, there's 25 of us heading to LA all at the same time. We are all fingers crossed for the slot with Miss Winfrey. Has not been confirmed yet, but I have high hopes. I mean, if I'm getting to go to the Wrinkle in Time premiere, I have to imagine that the universe is going to let me interview her. So stay tuned for that. I have a feeling that I'm going to be able to report back good things, but I want to move on. So part of Disney, Disney likes to do a lot of work in conjunction with ABC, same company. And so the Disney trip is also an ABC trip, and there's just a lot going on from that side as well. So you're going to have to excuse me. I'm just going to pull up some of the itinerary that I have that has been approved and tell you a little bit about some of the screenings that I'll attend as well. So besides the premiere, which I will definitely film from start to finish, every single step I take on that red carpet, I will be documenting. Besides those moments, we will be screening future episodes of Scandal, which is a show that I absolutely love. I didn't get to Scandal until much later. I wasn't a season 1 girl. I was more like a season 4 girl, and then I couldn't go outside of my house because I had to play major catch up, like ridiculous. I don't think my kids ate until I got up to season 5. Alex and Company, which is with Zach Braff. That's definitely going to be a show that we will be a screening, and we will also be interviewing Zach. So if you have any questions for him, please let me know. I'm just scrolling down really quickly because there's a couple of more shows that I don't want to forget. I mentioned Scandal. Deception is another new ABC show. It premieres March 11th and the 10 p.m. slot. And basically it's I'll read it to you. So we're going to be interviewing the 2 producers, the creator, and the premise is Cameron Black, superstar magician, has been ruined by scandal, and there is just one place to turn, and that's the FBI. So we're going to watch a magician sort of work his way through the FBI. I like those type of shows, like those police shows that give you a little bit of campiness and humor, but it's still a really good run, whodunit, you know, that sort of thing. So I am curious about watching that show. And then there's a hashtag that I'm not quite sure. Splitting Up Together is the name of the hashtag. It's unclear what that show is about. I don't have any further information on it, but my guess is that we'll be screening it and we will be interviewing some of the potential writers, producers, creators, actors. I don't know yet. That's not really on the slate as of yet. That's all I have as of now, Friday. We don't leave for this trip until Saturday, the following Saturday. So you're just going to have to stay tuned and wait to see any more updates. They're coming in daily. I mean, when I first signed up for this trip, it was just A Wrinkle in Time. And it was, I'll tell you right now, Alex Incorporated, which premieres March 28th, by the way. So I only knew about 2 different things that I would be doing on this trip, and now it seems that more and more keeps getting added by the minute. So I'm really excited. I am clearing out my iPhone. Literally, I ordered like the terabyte Google Cloud, like that mystery thing where you just throw your phone stuff up in the air and somebody catches it. Like, I don't understand. But I'm cleaning out my 4,000 photos, putting it up into the universe, because I want to have full capacity to film everything on the red carpet. If I get to hold Oprah's hand, I do not know what I'm going to do. So that's it. That is my story. I'm sticking to it. Please stay tuned. I will be doing a ton of filming over the next few weeks. Lots of recaps. If you have any questions for Oprah, for Zach Braff, any member from Scandal, and maybe even a magician question. I don't know. Did you ever want to know how a magic trick took place? I mean, leave them below, and I'll try to pass them on to the right people. And until next time, bye.